Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading a focused dataset and prepping it for learning. Load portrait and non-portrait images into labeled folders, then apply consistent resizing, 224 or 256, and normalization so the model sees stable ranges. Once done, create an 80/10/10 split and add light augmentations, horizontal flip, small rotations, color jitter. These increase robustness without changing orientation semantics. Make sure to balance classes, because skew will bias outputs. Next, pick a simple backbone and fine-tune for orientation detection. You can use a pre-trained MobileNet or ResNet 18 and unfreeze the final 2 to 4 layers so the network adapts to portrait nuances. Then set cross-entropy loss and atom optimizer with a learning rate around 1E4. Choose batch size according to memory, 16 to 64. Once training starts, watch validation accuracy, precision, and recall. Adjust LR scheduler, and stop early if there's no improvement for 5 epochs to avoid overfitting. Finally, export the final checkpoint to ONCS or Torch script and run inference on full-resolution images. This verifies that resizing didn't break predictions. If recall is low, you should add more portrait samples and augment orientation variants until recall improves. Aim to double positive examples if needed. If false positives persist, inject more negative context samples and tune the decision threshold to balance precision versus recall. If results still fail, re-examine normalization and ensure training and inference pipelines use identical preprocessing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.